Welcome to Holistic Vibes channel. Today video is about tomato salsa recipe. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Take 3 to 4 tomatoes, cut them into pieces. Carefully place the tomato pieces on pan. Roast the tomatoes on both sides until the skin of tomatoes peels off. Take 1 onion cut into pieces. Add onions pieces into the pan. Add some amount of peel-off garlic and chilies into the pan. Roast them all. Take a potato smasher, smash the all ingredients in the pan. Finally, add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder to the curry. Turn off the stove and add lemon juice to the curry and stir well. Curry is ready to serve. Transfer into bowl. Serve it with chapati or rice. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.